Hey everybody, this is Kate Purvis, and I want to take just a few minutes to dive a little bit deeper into how to use your course catalog. The course catalog is going to give you lots of information, and you need to make sure you're using this resource. It will not only give you a course description to decide if this is a course that you may be interested in, but it will also provide information about prerequisites and co-requisites that may or may not be required. So we're going to dive right in. To access your course catalog, you're going to go to, from Beaufort's homepage, you're going to go to the Programs tab at the top. And then from there, you'll see a tab on the right that says All Courses. So click there. And this is going to take you to the college course catalog. You'll see if you scroll through, you can not only find the course, but you can find a description of the course. And so if you're trying to decide which courses to take and you're just really not sure what the course is, this is a great way to read and find out what the expectations are for that course, what you should learn or be able to know by the end of that course. So that's one way to use it. Another way to use it is by searching for courses that you're interested in to see if there are prerequisites before you can take the course, or if there's a co-requisite that you need to register for so that you can take them at the same time. So I'm going to pull up for just a second, for example, the Associate in Arts course checklist, the curriculum flowchart. And this is the page 2 version, so if you're used to the page 1, it's the same information. I'm just going to use this one. To earn your Associate in Arts degree, you need to fulfill your English composition requirements, both English 111 and 112. So to check, we could actually just type in that acronym ENG and dash, and then it takes you right to the Englishes. So you can see here, English 111, there may be some developmental courses that you need to take beforehand, but you see English 112 you can't take until you take and pass English 111. And that's pretty straightforward from this document. You can kind of see that here. But when it gets to the humanities, communication, and fine arts courses, here, this might be something that you want to look into before you decide which courses to take. Of course, you're going to be comparing this, your curriculum flowchart, to your university choice BDP to make sure that you know what their requirements are before you choose any of these. But let's just say you have a little leeway and you need to make a decision between maybe Art 111, or you're not even sure what English 231 is, so you want to find out. So what you would do would be to go back to the college catalog, and we're going to say English 231. What is that? Okay, so it's an American literature course, and there is a prerequisite. I can't take English 231 until I complete and pass either English 112, 113, or 114. And be careful to look at those small little words, or. It doesn't mean you need all 3 of those. It means you need to be able to have taken and passed at least one of those courses. So when I'm looking at the courses to choose from here, I know English 231, I can't choose that as one of my humanities courses unless I've taken and passed one of the English 111 or English 112. So that might be a deciding factor. I may really want to take the English 231 and my BDP may require it or may recommend it. So rather than the first semester taking Art 111, let's double check. Art 111, does that have a prerequisite? No, you can see here there's no prerequisites, or it would be listed right under the title. So it might be that if I need the English 231, I may wait until after I take English 111 to take this course, because this is a smarter choice for me based on my BDP, my long-term goal for my university. So I'm hoping that this is becoming a little bit clearer how you can use this college catalog to help you choose your courses. A few others, we're just going to take a look at, well, let me show you an area that's a little bit confusing to people, your natural sciences. Some of these are listed where, and this was a little bit confusing for some last week, it's listed almost together on this sheet, so it shows you these are co-requisites. So if you choose to take Astronomy 111, which is 3 semester hour credits, you have to take the Astronomy 111A lab with it, which is 1 semester hour credit. So if you are taking the course and the lab, that would be your total 4 hours. Versus, let's say, your Biology 110, that's a 4-hour credit course. So you would take Biology 110 or Biology 111. But you see here another example of the two that you would count together would be your physics. If you chose Physics 110, that's a 3-hour credit course. You would take the 1-hour lab with it for your total of 4 hours. So let's go back to our course catalog. We're going to take a look at some of those labs. Let's take a look at astronomy. And you'll see here that this is where you have to use your form. You see it puts those two together, the 111 and the 111A. They're co-requisites. So in your course catalog, you see under Astronomy 111, it doesn't say co-req, but if you look at the Astronomy 111A, it does. It says take Astronomy 111 with this. So basically, it's just your course and the lab that goes with it. But you need to know these things when you're planning your course, semester by semester course plan. Hopefully this helps. As a reminder, you're going to be using your curriculum flowchart, and with your curriculum flowchart, to get to the course catalog, you're going to go from the home page to the Programs tab to the All Courses tab, and you can search in this box for any course that you're interested in. If you have any questions, please let me know. I hope this was helpful. I'm here for you if you need me. Thanks, everybody. Have a great week.